Hello, my lovely viewers. Welcome back to Little Veggie Paradise. Today's recipe is an easy peasy lunchbox recipe called Paneer fried rice. Now, if fried rice was human, its Indian cousin would look somewhat like this. Okay, jokes apart, let's get cooking. I have 100 grams of paneer or cottage cheese. I'm going to season it with some spices, pepper powder, chili powder and salt, each about half teaspoon, and give it a good mix. Now let's fry the paneer cubes in about 1 teaspoon of oil. Fry it just for a couple of minutes or until they turn crispy. Next, heat a pot. Add about 1 teaspoon of vegetable oil. Then add 1 teaspoon of minced garlic and 1 teaspoon of minced ginger and 1 green chili finely chopped, and saute this for a couple of seconds. Then we are going to add some assorted veggies. I am using French beans, some carrots and some bell peppers. I have used red and green. Just cook the veggies for a minute and a half. And then it's time to add the sauces. Half teaspoon of dark soy sauce, half teaspoon of red chili sauce, and half teaspoon of tomato ketchup. Give it a good mix. And then it's time to add the cooked rice. I am adding about 1 cup of cooked white rice. Mix everything gently. If you like it spicy, you can add some pepper powder. Next, add the fried paneer cubes and mix everything really well. You can also check for some salt if required and add as per needed. And lastly, we are going to garnish it with some spring onion greens. And ta-da! It's ready to be served. So please try this recipe and let me know in the comments below. If you liked watching this video, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family on your social media. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye-bye. Take care.